Hi, everybody. This is Kat with FilesAnywhere, and I'm excited to introduce you to FilesAnywhere's favorites. It's a brand new feature exclusively available in the new user interface, and it'll allow you to quickly access and search any starred folders with ease. To get started using favorites, what we'll do is we'll log into our FilesAnywhere account. Once we are logged in, we will locate the file or folder that we want to make a favorite, and we'll start with doing a folder. In this case, we're going to do the Documents folder. So if you go up to the Documents folder, all the way over to the right, you'll see a star. If that star is dark, the item is not currently a favorite. But if you click on it, the star will turn blue, indicating that it is a favorite. Now, if we want to see and access our favorites, we can go straight over here to the left-hand side where it says Favorites. We can open up our favorites, and you'll see our Documents folder now appears in here. And we can access our Documents folder straight by clicking on it. Now, if we go back to all files and we wanted to go ahead and favorite a specific file, we can also do that. If we click here, let's say on our pictures, and we have a PowerPoint presentation that we might need to work on later, so we're going to go ahead and favorite that. And again, if we go over to the left into our favorites, we will see it show up in this list. Alternatively, we will also see it if we click on pictures, it'll be a blue star there. Now, if we wanted to delete one of these favorites, what we can do is we can go ahead and unclick it. Just click it one time and it'll go dark again. And we will see it does not appear in our favorites. But we can also click from our favorites menu and just click the star there. It'll go dark. You will need to refresh this folder to see the change. So in this case, I'm just going to click it again. Documents has disappeared. And then if we go back to all files, you will also see that the star has disappeared from here. And then once again, it's just as simple as clicking on the favorite. All right, and that is the end of our video for today. If you have any other questions or you'd like to schedule a demo, you can get more information at filesanywhere.com, or you can contact us at 1-888-661-6565, and we can answer any questions. You have a wonderful day.